What if you could forecast tomorrow's demand today, keeping your production one step ahead instead of always playing catch up? Right now, industries are wrestling with supply chain breakdowns, inventory shortages, and unplanned downtime that drive up costs and stall growth. That's where AvizOps steps in. By harnessing advanced AI-infused solutions, we empower manufacturing leaders to make informed, real-time decisions. Our AI models continuously monitor production metrics and predict demand surges before they happen. This means you can realign your supply chain, optimize resource allocation, and eliminate costly downtime. While we've transformed operations on the factory floor, our solutions extend beyond manufacturing. From pharmaceuticals adjusting batch runs to automotive suppliers synchronizing parts delivery, AvizOps ensures every industry stays agile.